I was like, I'm not. I like closed my freaking nose. I like went like that. Bless you, thank you. That I think would probably have pissed me. That was like my friend's mom growing up though. Cause excuse me, because
they're kind of chill. Thanks, Hello Nozani, for the follow. Excuse me. The allergies are kicking in, guys. Oh, why is this happening in my promotion games? No, my promo game again. I work 10 jobs. Fuck you. The billionaire is because of you.
It's you. Excuse and me.
Oops. Unlucky.
Oh my god. Where'd my phone go? I lost it. That thing. I could take that record down. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna leave it like that.
Excuse me. No, the allergies are acting up, guys. Yo, having an allergy attack midstream. God bless your soul, my child. Thanks, Imagine.